You have truly proved to be a man of peace. And let me say, Mr. President, you are truly savior of South Asia.
The Board of Peace meeting in Washington, hosted by US President Donald Trump, was expected to be a defining moment for Pakistani PM Shehbaz Sharif. Instead, the summit turned into a series of awkward moments that left him sidelined and widely mocked. Sharif's troubles began even before the meeting. The Pakistan Ministry of Foreign Affairs released an official statement about his trip to the US, which was riddled with glaring typos. The headline read, Prime Minister's visit to the United States of Americas. Screenshots of the document circulated online, sparking laughter and criticism over the poor proofreading standards. Sharif then created further awkwardness at the summit by excessively praising President Trump. He called Trump a man of peace and a savior of South Asia.
You have truly proved to be a man of peace. And let me say, Mr. President, you are truly savior of South Asia.
Commending him for allegedly preventing massive loss of life between India and Pakistan.
Your timely and very effective intervention to achieve ceasefire between India and Pakistan potentially averted loss of tens of millions of people.
He also described Trump's global diplomacy as bold and claimed it had brought calm to many international serious hotspots.
Mr. President, we deeply appreciate your unique initiative and your dynamic leadership in advancing peaceful solutions to conflicts across the globe. Your bold diplomacy has surely brought calm to many international serious hotspots.
This over-the-top flattery mirrored Sharif's earlier praise at the Gaza Peace Summit last October, where he had even nominated Trump for the Nobel Peace Prize. Arguably, the most humiliating moment came during the group photo. While Trump stood front and center alongside US Vice President J.D. Vance and Secretary of State Marco Rubio, Sharif was pushed to the margins, behind leaders from Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, and Qatar. Trump later attempted to console Sharif, praising him and Pakistan Field Marshal Asim Munir. Furthermore, the US pledged $10 billion to the Board of Peace, with 9 other members contributing $7 billion more. But Pakistan did not pledge a dime. Reports say its troops will go to Gaza, but only to keep peace, not to actually do anything like disarm Hamas. So it seems that despite multiple attempts, Shehbaz Sharif continues to struggle to make an impact on the global stage. What are your thoughts on this? Do comment and let us know, and for more such videos, stay tuned with India TV.